how to change your Nest account password online. The very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your browser and search for home.nest.com, and then from here what you're going to do is simply sign into your account. So you can either sign in with your Google ID if you have done that, or you can sign in with Nest, add in all of the Nest credentials, and then when you tap on sign in like that, you'll successfully be able to sign into your account. Then from here you can actually navigate yourself to your account or manage your Google account option, and then from there you can actually go to security. So if you have created your account using Google ID, you'll need to change your Google ID account password. And if you have used the Nest account manually, you'll need to tap on the like I said, account option, where you'll need to get into the security and then tap on password. And after doing that, when you tap on change password option, you'll be able to write in your new password 2 times in order to confirm it, and then from there tap on save in order to save it. Just like that, you will successfully be able to change your Nest account password online.